In this video, I'll show you how to download WPS PDF Pro completely free, a powerful and easy-to-use tool that gives you everything you need to manage your PDF files without paying for expensive software like Adobe Acrobat. To get started, click the link in the description of the pinned comment, which will take you to the official WPS Office and PDF download page. From there, select your device, Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS, and hit download. Once the file finishes, open the installer, follow the simple setup steps, and within minutes, you'll have a modern PDF editor ready to use. With WPS PDF, you can edit text and images like a Word document, convert PDFs into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint formats, merge, split, and compress documents, add annotations, watermarks, and digital signatures, and even run OCR to make scanned PDFs fully editable. As a bonus, installing WPS PDF also unlocks access to the full WPS Office Suite Pro for 30 days, giving you Writer, Spreadsheets, and Presentation as a complete Microsoft Office alternative with the option to keep using the free version afterward. Instead of spending money on Adobe Acrobat or Microsoft Office, download WPS PDF and Office today for free using the link below. And if you want to take it further, check out my next video on how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC and Mac. It's on screen right now. Thanks for watching.